everybody, it's Dr. Chabot. It's been a pretty busy couple of weeks for everybody, and so I wanted to check in again and just let you know kind of where we're headed with the remainder of this course. So first of all, I just sent out early alerts. So that's the last, second and last round of those. So if you have any concerns, especially about specific grade items, let me know. Everything's in my courses and there's specific feedback on each assignments. And Pivot, you can go look at specific feedback on the labs, etc. So, let me know if you have any specific questions about your grade or any concerns. In addition to that, I have extended the Module 12B assignment deadline until tonight, Friday, July 10th. The quiz is also due tonight, July 10th. So that's because I noticed there weren't as many submissions as normal by last night. And I assume it's because it's been just such a busy week catching up after a long and hectic weekend for a lot of you. So this is a really important module to be able to solve two-body problems with Newton's second law, where some of them involve linear motion and some of them involve rotational motion. So definitely send me emails if you have questions. I don't have office hours over the weekends, but I can check email. So definitely do that if you have any questions or concerns about that module. So I'll be checking later today. So if you worked on it and you have questions, you can send some questions. I can get back to you. Try to email me before around 5 or 6 p.m. and I'll be able to get back to you, no problem. Also, in addition to that, we're going to be heading into next week, and we're going to have modules 13 and 14, which are on conservation of energy with rotation and conservation of momentum with rotation. So conservation of angular momentum. Those are our last two big topics for rotation. So if you think about what we've done with rotation, right? We started with kinematics, and now we're in Newton's laws. Then we're going to go to energy and momentum, just like we did through the whole course. So the more that you can kind of name what you're doing when you're applying the concepts, kind of see big picture of it all, then the better off you will be. The other things I'll encourage you to do are to please look at the final exam format. It will be different than the midterm format. So that was one of the tasks for this past week. Let me know if you have any questions. For this coming week, your task is going to be starting to focus on the final project. So you're going to have to pick the two video clips that you want to use for the final project and contact me about those. All right, so I know it's been a long and hectic summer, and a lot of you are doing a really fantastic job, so keep it up. If you do feel like you're struggling, I encourage you to sign up for those one-on-one office hour appointments. They really, can help. If you feel like you need more than 20 minutes, sign up for 2 in a row, 3 in a row if you really are struggling, and we can sit down and make sure that you're getting to the level of understanding that you need, the level of learning that you need in order to succeed in this course. Remember that understanding the material, in that I hand you a solution or you read the textbook and having it make sense, that's not enough, right? And that this is a course that requires 14 to 18 hours every week of effort. And so if you haven't been putting that in, then you might have to put in more to start catching up. So hang in there and let me help you. That's what I am here for. Okay. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Again, the deadline for 12B assignment is extended till tonight. I strongly encourage you to do that. Always do the self-checks before you take the quiz, always. They definitely will help you on the quiz, and then do the quiz. So the quizzes add up to be a substantial portion of your grade. And so that's an important thing to focus on. All right, let me know if you have any questions.